Lottie. Today's video is a video for my sample Saturday series. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below and don't forget to subscribe and change the notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. Okay, so before I start with what I'm going to be using today for Sample Saturday, I just wanted to quickly let you guys know that I am sick. If I sound funny, that is why. It's all in my chest. I've got a chest infection and an ear infection. I'm on day 5. I'm on day 5 now of being sick, so I'm starting to feel a little bit better, but first thing in the morning and late at night is my worst times, and I just can't talk for long periods of time. So I've just had a neb for my asthma, had a shower, trying to steam it all out so I could sound alright for this video. So let's jump in. So today what I am using is the Laneige Cream Skin Toner and Moisturiser. So it's for normal to dry skin. So it just comes in this little package here. So this is a sample, this is 5 mils. So my skin is quite dry at the moment from me being sick. So I have gone through 3 boxes of tissues this week. So my nose is very dry and peeling, and it now feels like as I'm using sandpaper, so not fun, but I need something to help my skin get its moisture back, because yeah, it is very dry, especially on my nose from where I'm blowing my nose so much, but in general my skin is actually dry at the moment because I'm not feeling the greatest. So I've been trying to drink loads of water. I haven't worn makeup all week, but it is still unfortunately a little bit dry. So I do want to quickly note that I do also use this Laneige lip sleeping mask. You will have seen it in one of my skincare videos. So I normally use this at least every second night, sometimes every night for my lips. So I've been using this whilst I've been sick every night, and during the day as well, and it is fabulous. My lips on day 1 were really dry, like really dry and cracked and sore, and I started using this during the day as well as night, and now as long as I keep it on, my lips are looking really good. They're not sore and dry like my nose is. So I really love this stuff, so I thought I would just make a note of that, because I can't breathe out of my nose at the moment, so I am breathing out of my mouth, which is drying out my lips quite a bit more than what it's normally doing. Okay, so let's jump into today's sample Saturday. So as I said, we're using this cream skin toner and moisturizer. So I'm just going to open up the packet. So it feels like as though it's, I don't know, like a pad or something in there. Okay, yeah, it is a pad in there. All right, so it's coming out like this. It has leaked a little bit everywhere on my desk. That's okay. So let me open it up. There's actually multiple pads in this. Okay, so there's 2 little pads in here. So when you open them up, they become a circle. I've just got the other one down here. So let's pop it on the skin. It feels really nice and soft and smooth on my skin. So I have just washed my skin in the shower, so I don't have anything else on it at the moment. I'm just doing this. Okay, I'm just going to use the top of it on my nose. I'm just trying to get into all the little crevices there because it is so dry. And I'll just bring it down onto my neck to make sure I'm using all of the products. Wow, okay, so I've left the second one in the packet here. I've just closed it up and just put a bobby pin on it to keep it closed. So far it is a really nice and soft. It's left my skin looking nice and glowy. And I do think I could feel it hydrating. It's stinging my nose a little bit, but that's because my nose is so dry and sore. I've been putting on my normal moisturiser on my face. I did some last night and it brought me to tears because my nose was so sore. So I know it's not from the product, it's just because my nose is sore at the moment. But so far it's really nice and soft, really smooth. It feels really nice. It's not super tacky, it's barely tacky. You see that? Yeah. So I'm gonna let this dry down and wear it throughout the day, and I will do a last minute check-in just before I post this video today. Hey everyone, super quick check-in. It's been about an hour and a half since I put the moisturiser on. It's all settled into my skin really nicely. I've been trying not to blow my nose so that I could let it sink into my nose on the dry spots. But so far I'm really loving it. So I'll do another check-in just before I upload the video. Hi guys, just doing my last check-in. It has been about 6 hours, maybe 7, closest to 7 hours with the product on my face now. I've just prepped dinner, made some homemade lasagna. So I've done a lot of sweating. And it is still on my face. I can still feel it there. When I touch it, I can't feel it just walking around, but if I touch it with my hands, I can definitely feel that I have a product on my face. But I will say that my nose isn't as sore as it was this morning, so I'm not sure if that is from the moisturizer, but I can definitely feel like the top of my nose is nice and moisturized. It's like really soft and smooth. It's still dry, but not super dry like it was when I put the moisturizer and toner on this morning. So this was the Laneige Cream Skin Toner and Moisturizer, and I kept the little cotton pad out to show you guys. This is the cotton pad that it came on. So there was 2 in the packet. So I've kept the second one, and I will reuse that probably tonight before going to bed, if I'm honest, because I'm really loving it. So yeah, it just comes on the cotton pad and you just wipe it all over your face and it feels amazing. So that is my last check-in. It's definitely a product that I could look at purchasing in the future. I do have enough skin products at the moment. I've got loads of Dermalogica stuff I have to get through, so it's definitely one that I would put up there with my Dermalogica. So I really enjoyed this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below, and don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching guys. Bye!